you ever wondered how your favorite chef cut an onion or minced garlic so quickly and so perfectly? Well, now you can too. Today, I'm gonna show you how to master those basic knife skills using your new Ninja Foodi NeverDull knives. The first and most important knife skill you should master is how to properly hold your knife. Use the chef's pinch grip for better control while cutting. Here's how to do it. Place your thumb and your forefinger on either side of the knife blade close to the handle. It should look like you're pinching your knife between your fingers. Wrap the remaining fingers around the handle of your knife. Holding the knife this way may feel uncomfortable and unnatural at first, but it provides much better control than holding the knife by the handle or placing your finger on top of your knife. Practice cutting using this grip to get the hang of it. Another important step is ensuring your non-cutting hand is safe while cutting. Do not lay your fingers flat while you cut. This puts you at risk of cutting yourself and losing a finger. Instead, bend your fingers so that the knife gently grazes your knuckles as you cut. This way, your fingers are safe from that razor-sharp edge. For best results, cut using a rocking chop motion. Start by pushing down with the tip of your knife, gently rocking towards the back of your knife as you cut. This will help you maintain safe control while you chop, slice, and dice. All right, let's start with a rough chop. This is the easiest cut you'll come across, and it's common in stews and stocks, or when you want your ingredients to cook but don't really have to worry about presentation or perfect cuts. Start by cutting your potato in half lengthwise so you have a flat surface to use on your cutting board. With the flat side down, cut your potato lengthwise into roughly equal sections, usually about 3/4 of an inch wide. Next, turn the pieces you just cut and chop them again, roughly 3/4 of an inch cube shapes. It's likely all your pieces will not be perfectly uniform, but that is okay. This is a rough chop. Recipes that require a bit more precision will call for a dice. For example, an onion. Start by chopping your onion in half through the root end. Then, peel the outer layers of the onion. With the flat side of the onion down, make a few horizontal incisions into your onion, about 1/4 of an inch thick. Then, turn the onion towards you and make a few vertical cuts, again about 1/4 of an inch thick. Finally, turn the onion again and cut a 1/4 inch section until you reach the root end. Dispose of the root and you've got your dice. The dice is great for recipes where the ingredients remain uncooked, such as salsas and picos. Another common cut you'll likely come across is a mince. A mince is essentially a very fine dice, as small as you can get it. The most common ingredient you'll want to mince is garlic. To mince your garlic, start by removing the root end. Next, place your blade flat above your garlic clove and smash it down. This will make it easier to peel your garlic. Once the skin is removed, use a rocking chop motion to very finely chop your garlic. Repeat these steps several times until you reach your desired consistency. The finer the mince, the more flavorful your dish will be. The Julienne is a fine matchstick cut often used with vegetables such as carrots and potatoes. Let's start with a carrot. Start by cutting your carrots into 2-inch segments. Once you've got your 2-inch segment, start by cutting off one side so you have a flat base to work with for stability. With the flat side down on the cutting board, make 1/8 inch equal slices. Next, take the slices you've just made and stack them on top of one another. Again, make 1/8 inch cuts to get equally sized matchsticks. The Julian cut is great for raw preparations such as slaws, as well as for pan or stir frying your favorite veggies. The bâtonnet is another cut often used with vegetables, but it's perhaps best known as a standard French fry cut. Let's demonstrate with a potato. Start by cutting your potato in half lengthwise. You can remove the peel or keep it on. It's really up to personal preference or your recipe. Make cuts on each side of the half to create a block shape, cutting off the sides and the ends. Next, cut your potato into 1/4 inch thick slices, and you've got your bâtonnet. If you're looking for recipe inspirations or have questions about the Ninja Foodi NeverDull knife system, visit us at ninjatestkitchen.com and join the official Ninja Foodi family community on Facebook.